B900 backhoe loader and S450 skid steer loader and attachments that suit our job requirements. All our machines are in our signature white color to have its uniqueness. The range of attachments for the demo includes standard bucket, pollet fork, bucket grapple, breaker, combination bucket, sweeper, auger, R30S backhoe. Bobcat is the only construction equipment company to provide 70 plus attachments for the Indian market. All our attachments have their unique functions to have the maximum productivity for our job. So here comes the B900, the backhoe loader with its signature Bobcat white color. B900 is made in India. So everyone, B900 is here right now and it is made in India for the Indian market with our time-tested Ashok Leyland CEV stages 4 engines. These engines are well-proven, higher emission engine in Indian market with wide support network available across India. So backhoe loader tilted away from audience. As you all can see, it can tilt it at its one side as well, plus wheel rotation. So heavy duty Carrero axle and Carrero transmission, strong structure for maximum durability. Hydraulic system equipped with variable displacement pump that delivers 119 liters per minute. Hydraulic flow with advanced load sensing system for maximum fuel efficiency without compromising performance. You all can see the machine is able to get tilted at its one side with the wheel rotation. Everybody, this is B900 from Doosan Bobcat India Private Limited. So now B900 backhoe loader provides best-in-class cabin comfort and overall visibility of providing maximum operator comfort for long time uninterrupted machine operation. So B900 also equipped with a 16cc dedicated steering pump for safety as well as for saving fuel when traveling. B900 provides best-in-class digging depth 4.96 meter for maximum productivity and long reach. As you all can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is B900 with excellent strength in it. So that's Bobcat B900 backhoe loader for you, ladies and gentlemen. All of you can see this. This is B900 from Doosan Bobcat India Private Limited. Now we all will get the pleasure to see S450, the another machine from Doosan Bobcat India Private Limited. The four-wheel hydrostatic drive gives unmatched stability and excellent maneuverability with 360 degrees rotation about its axis. So if we talk about its bucket, our S450 has a radial lift with a reach of 9 feet and our S650 has a vertical lift with a reach of 10.5 feet. Our machines are capable to rotate 360 degrees about its own axis due to its minimum turning radius. So everyone, now you all can see the machine is also able to get tilted at its front tires and also its back tires. And as well as it is able to rotate 360 degrees on 2 tires at its own axis. Everybody, you all can see this is S450. So the extremely unique machine is here, everyone. So our machine are capable to rotate 360 degrees at its own axis, and it is also able to get tilted at its front tires and back tires as well. This is extremely amazing. So tipping action is possible due to the Backhoe design engineers have given a close thought to the safety of the operator.